song was brought to you by
Primera Light Brandy. Para sa Primera klaseng bonding, mag-Primera Light Brandy na. Salamat, Spree! Pag-ibig. Pag-ibig Regular Savings.
Vitaherbs Philippines Green Coffee. Masarap, mabango at healthy pa. Available in all Mercury drugstores nationwide.
3D, singtibay ng Pinoy.
San Miguel Pale Pilsen. Sarap laging kasama.
Buttercream crackers, sweet sarap.
Villa Caceres Hotel, the gem of Bicolandia. A 3-star hotel with a 5-star experience. Book now. You may contact 054-473-6530 to 33. Visit our website www.villacacereshotel.naga.com.
Naninigas, sumihilab, kumikirot ang tiyan? Stomach cramps yan. Mag-Buscopan. Tiyan ka magaling. Hyoscine and butyl bromide is a generic name of Buscopan. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Alaya Garden Resort and Hotel. For your relaxation and enjoyment, visit the newest adventure. Located at Purok Uno, Barangay Lacios, Arayat, Pampanga. For reservations, please call 0917-115-3195 or visit their Facebook page.
Baby Flow Cologne. Mapagkakatiwalaan ni Mommy para kay baby.
North Luzon Express Terminal.
Stamp out beautiful like May Mendoza. Use Rejoice for smooth, walang sabit hair.
Silka Green Papaya Soap. Dahil ang tunay na sign ng pagpapaputi, kita in as early as 7 days.
What is an MV? An MV is a selfie or groupie with Emperador Light. Share an MV with friends para lalong sumaya ang tagumpay ng barkada. Hashtag MV. Gawin mong light with Emperador Light. Drink responsibly. And
Bambini Baby Cologne. Enjoy life's little surprises.
Dear love, hindi ko alam kung malulungkot ako o maaawa kay Martina. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang rason para gawin niya itong mga bagay na to, katulad ng pagiging delulu, nag-iimbento ng mga kwento. Nasasaktan ako na nagsisinungaling talaga siya sa akin at kahit nakitang-kita ng mga mata ko na kuya niya mismo yung naghatid sa kanya. Gusto kong makita talaga kung totoo ang sinasabi niya na hinahatid siya ni Nikki. Kaya naman, tumambay ulit ako sa gate ng maaga at inabangan siya. At gaya ng nasaksihan ko kahapon, ay, tamang-tama. Kuya niya ulit ang naghatid sa kanya at kinuhanan ko na ito ng video.
this portion was brought to you by Supreme Pure Organic Barley by Levex. First alkaline-based, pure organic barley. Every sip is full of beneficial nutrients. Huwag basta barley. Dapat alkaline-based. Supreme Pure Organic Barley.
New Emperador Hot Shot. Either you're hot or you're not. Drink responsibly.
CNC Cafe PH. Coffee, pasta, souffle, and happiness. Refresh and recharge at CNC Cafe PH. Indulge in our coffee, blended drinks, mouth-watering souffle pancakes, and more. Visit us today.
Buttercream crackers. Sweet sarap.
Hanap mo ba ay sulit, masarap, at affordable na unlimited wings? Dito na tayo sa Wingfinity and beyond. For inquiries, send an email to wingfinity.franchising@gmail.com or via hotline at 0948-977-8888. Wingfinity and beyond. Infinite love for chicken wings.
Alerta! Basta allergy? Alerta, alerta, alerta.
Tiger Beer. Tikman na ang purong sarap at purong lakas ng Tiger Black Strong Beer Litro. 82 pesos lang. Suggested retail price. Drink responsibly.
Thank you then sa Miracle Peptide. When science ends, miracles happen. Stay happy para walang anxiety.
Del Monte Pineapple. Simut sarap ang ulam ng mga chikiting kapag may Del Monte Pineapple.
Bear Brand Adult Plus. Level up na sa tibay na pang-adults.
Yung sa akin nga eh. Twitter na to sa akin. Sa click, nagkanula ako dun sa radio.
Jolly Clara Cooking Oil. Oilinis, oilinaw, oilinamnam.
Alaksan FR. Sa maliit o malaking aray, Alaksan FR agad.
Vitaherbs Philippines Green Coffee. Masarap, mabango at healthy pa. Available in all Mercury drugstores nationwide.
Jim's Coffee Mix. Ang kapeng kakaiba.
What is an MV? An MV is a selfie or groupie with Emperador Light. Share an MV with friends para lalong sumaya ang tagumpay ng barkada. Hashtag MV. Gawin mong light with Emperador Light. Drink responsibly. And
Bell Center is brought to you by Not So Gate Expectations Fencing Company. If you're seeking a fence that bends and breaks for max money, we've got you covered.
Our fences don't stand up to the competition.
You'll bust up laughing at our easily bustable handiwork.
The people on your block will see it's no secret you're a terrible neighbor.
Call now and weld the fence up and down with same-day service.
Act now and we'll get you free tweezers. You're gonna need them.
Not So Gate Expectations Fencing Company. We smash the competition and our own product.
Idol! Ang oras natin o 4:06 na!
That time check was brought to you by
Sweets by Jella for your bespoke buttercream cakes and cupcakes. To order, contact Miss Angela Miklat at her Facebook and IG page, Sweets by Jella.
Royal True Lemon. Epic sa sarap, epic sa kulit.
Lemon Square Lava Cake. Lava for real!
McDonald's. It's time for some sharing with the new McShare bundles. Now with Chicken McDo, McNuggets, BFF rice and drinks. Drive through your nearest McDonald's now.
Bell Center would like to welcome our new sponsor, Napalm Grills. If you're like me about your meat, well done is only half done. Why just grill your steak when you can incinerate it?
If you like your meat smoking hot, I'm the grill for you. Did I really just say that? This check better clear.
If the game's on, the flame's on. Our grills also make for a great halftime fireworks show.
Your gristle will taste like it was killed by a missile.
Plus, here comes a ground chuck grenade.
Napalm Grills will blacken your brisket and your eyebrows.
So come on down to Napalm Indoor and Outdoor Grill. You bring the meat, we'll bring the heat.
And you should also bring a fire extinguisher.
Tagumpay ay lalong sasaya pag i-share mo ang sarap ng Emperador Light sa barkada. #Emphy. #Tagumpay. Gawin mong light with Emperador Light. Drink responsibly. Help save the Philippine Eagle. Eagle Cement. High sa tibay. Bili na sa inyong suking hardware or visit www.eaglecement.com.ph.
MaxVit. Protektahan ang kalusugan with MaxVit. Kung may tanong ka pa, usap tayo sa Facebook ng MaxVit.
Efficacent Oil. Efficacent Oil ang iyong katuwang sa pagsisikap.
North Luzon Express Terminal.
Coca-Cola. Here's one more reason to sing. 8 pesos SRP pa rin ang Coca-Cola. Kickstart your afternoon na.
And
Magnolia Health Tea and Fruit Drink. Mag-refresh sarap with Magnolia Health Tea and Fruit Drink. Punta na sa suking tindahan.
Salamat Kabisyo! Dahil hindi mo kami iniwan. Dahil never mo kami pinabayaan. At dahil grabe ang iyong suporta. Hanggat may kabisyo, hanggat nandyan kayo, ang TLC The Drama Special, walang kalaban. Number 1 pa more!
Your number one station, 90.7 Love Radio.
Talagang bad trip kung clingy ang ubo. Yung bang tipong makulit, talagang walang tigil, di ba? Pero para sa ubong walang tigil, mag-Robitussin DM. May cough calma combo ito na may menthol, tulong panlabas plema at magbigay ng ginhawa sa ubo. Para tulungang alisin ang makulit na ubo, mag-Robitussin DM. Ang pambatang Robitussin, Robi Kids, tumutulong magpalabnaw ng plemang makapit. Para sa ubong may plema ng bata, mag-Robi Kids. Dextromethorphan, HBr plus guaifenesin is the generic name of Robitussin DM. Carbocysteine is the generic name of Robi Kids. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Gather round with family and friends galore, for that's what this holiday is for. Hi-ho to a macaroni salad, hi-ho with our Lady's Choice Mayo.
This Christmas, home is where the Mac reunion is. Jose Marie Chan here, Mac reunion na with my one and only Lady's Choice Mayo.
Promise, babe, hindi ka mabibitin. With Bet88, hindi ka mabibitin sa laro. Secure at napakaraming payment options for fast cash in and out ng panalo mo. Ibang swerte to. Bet88.ph.
Gaming for 21 years old and above only. Keep it fun. Game responsibly.
Get 100% welcome bonus when you sign up and play now at bet88.ph. Ibang swerte to.
Ang severe pain, pag hindi kinontrol agad, baka pasabugin ang sales report mo.
Grabe na!
Ang lunch meeting mo.
Hindi ko na kaya!
Ang presentation mo.
Ayoko na!
Mag-Ibuprofen Medical 400 with Rapid 400 formula. Clinically tested versus mefenamic acid na masaraping magpaginhawa ng severe pain within 30 minutes from intake.
Medical 400, the fastest medical for the worst pain. Trusted quality healthcare. Unilab yan. Ibuprofen is the generic name of Medical 400. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Noy, overtime na naman tayo. Kaya mo pa?
Yeah.
Yakang-yakan ang masipag na buhay. Kasama mo ang Gin Kapitan. Sarap at hagod, sipag at sikap. Kayang-kaya. Gin Kapitan. Drink responsibly.
Gin Kapitan, kayang-kaya mo yan.
Yung ibang energy drink nangangako ng lakas, pero ganito lang ang kaya. Ang kailangan mo, ganito. Bagong Predator Energy Drink. Rule your kingdom. 17 pesos lang.
Predator Energy, now available in the Philippines. Now sells for only 17 pesos SRP. Buy now.
Sometimes I wonder if it isn't all a lie. This thing we do, this jury thing. Once the jury knows you're willing to make things up to get what you want. God, American. Maybe I'm really not good at this at all.
New Bull. CBS next Monday, 10/9 Central.
Mars! Narinig mo na ba yung latest? Yung mga anak daw ng mag-asawang May at Ever, hindi mautusan. Yung panganay, puro cellphone.
Sumunod na ako sa'yo nasa top na ako.
Yung pangalawa, busy sa kaibigan.
Mamaya na po yan, ma. Ito yung panggagala ko sa sa beach.
At yung bunso, naku, palpak.
Di pa po ako tapos, Papa.
Ay, nako. Wala naman nakikinig sa akin dito.
Ewan ko ba kung bakit ang hilig mag-utos sa mga magulang nila. Gusto mo din ba malaman?
Inutusan mo ko.
Ever? Mahilig ako umulundugan.
Di sabay-sabay nating abangan sa Sabado, alas 7 ng gabi. Dito lang yan sa Net 25.
It's Big Thursday on CBS.
Listen up. Homicide. Home invasion. Glove up. It's gonna be a long one. Focus on the evidence you find.
Killer was leaving a message.
Let's run the prints to DNA.
Papa.
No.
Okay.
That's a connection. Feels like a different kind of kill. What kind is that? Overkill.
The new CSI Vegas tonight after So Help Me Todd on CBS and streaming on Paramount Plus.
Sis!
Oh!
Kanina!
Oh.
Kanina, naligo ka? Hindi.
Kami sobra.
Ako nga, ng mga nakakasalubong ko kasi first time kong pumunta dito ng ganitong oras ulit eh. Parang yung mga nakasalubong ko, kagabi pa naligo.
Oo, ako nga parang nilalayuan. Sabi ko, why?
Anong oras na, Sese?
Ara sa barangay, 6:35.
That time check was brought to you by
Smart Padala Padalibreng Bakasyon Promo. Sa padalang 500 pesos, may chance ka ng manalo ng all-expense paid trip para sa pamilya sa Korea, Singapore o Taiwan.
Frutos, barkada ng buong pamilya.
Maraming salamat din. First Vita Plus. First Vita Plus Natural Health Drink. Formulated with its signature 5 power herbs. Malunggay, uray, saluyot, dahon ng sili, and talbos ng kamote. Available in delicious all Pinoy flavors. Dalandan, melon and guyabano, and many more. First Vita Plus. Your road to ultimate freedom. Time freedom, wealth freedom, and health freedom. Call 8470-8482 for more details or visit www.firstvitaplus.net. First Vita Plus, so full of life.
Vitamilk feels good. Royal, sali na sa Collect and Win promo today.
Thank you then sa Miracle Peptide. When science ends, miracles happen. Stay happy para walang anxiety.
Mag-Biogesic para maibsan ang lagnat o sakit ng ulo. Ang health tip na ito ay handog ng Trusted Quality Healthcare. Paracetamol is the generic name of Biogesic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
North Luzon Express Terminal.
Painumin ang anak ng silin araw-araw para lumakas ang resistensya niya laban sa sakit. Ang health tip na ito ay handog sa inyo ng Unilab. Trusted Quality Healthcare. Ascorbic acid is the generic name of silin. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Healthy Lemon, the first buy one take one lemonade in the Philippines. Share a healthy cup with your loved ones with more than 50 branches nationwide. Open for franchise. Visit their TikTok, Instagram, and FB account for more info. Be healthy. Choose Healthy Lemon.
Ladies Choice Mayo. Mac reunion now with my one and only Ladies Choice Mayo.
Sa gitna ng tampuhan, biglang nagkagulatan.
Ako ang mami ni Daphne Montemayor. Nakita niyo ba anak ko?
Naku po, bigla yatang napamit na parents si Lloyd.
Kilala ko na si Daphne kasi malabas kami.
I'm sorry, you are not her type.
Ano naman ang masasabi ng ating goodwill tropa?
Hindi tayo may idea ko. Kailangan gamitin natin si Miss Fina para makumbinsi si Daphne na ibenta na sa atin yung property niya.
Papayag naman kaya ang mataray na mother?
Kaya ako nandito dahil meron din akong gusto kunin dun sa loob ng bahay.
Si Daphne kasi, mas sakit yung tatay niya. Kung gano'n din naman mangyari sa akin, yung maluba yung tatay ko, malamang hindi ko ibenta yung property ko.
Masood pa kaya ng tropa ang kanilang problema? Abangan ang mga lalo pang umiinit na kaganapan ng Goodwill Season 4 dito lang sa Net 25.
People are gonna lie to you in this game. I was blindsided.
I was a part of the plan.
You're gonna bite, then I'm gonna bite back.
All of a sudden, I have an alliance?
You're gonna face another very dangerous twist. Only 2 episodes left until the season finale. You Could Be Gone. A new Survivor Wednesday on CBS and streaming on Paramount Plus.
I have the heart, the determination, and the will to succeed.
I am a team player, so whatever my team needs me to do, I'm gonna be there for them.
We're all forces of nature, and you combine that, it's gonna be a hurricane.
Tough as Nails returns Wednesday, February 10th on CBS.
He's trying to protect a killer so he can make a big arrest.
Are you really asking my informant to get himself killed?
There are 2 innocent women dead, Nestor.
Damn.
I want justice for these victims.
FBI, new Sunday after the AFC Championship on CBS.
Idol, ang oras natin, 5:22.
That time check was brought to you by
Reels on Wheels.
Greenwich Overload Pizzas. Presyong kaibigan na loaded sa toppings over sa savings.
Pasalamatan din natin ang Red Juice. Cleansing time na. Narito na ang Red Juice. Bago ang lahat, cleansing muna. Mag-Red Juice muna. Dahil sa Red Juice, mas masarap ang pakiramdam kapag malinis ang kalooban.
Del Monte Pineapple. Simut sarap ang ulam ng mga chikiting kapag may Del Monte Pineapple.
McDonald's, it's time for some sharing with the new McShare bundles. Now with Chicken McDo, McNuggets, BFF Rice, Rice and Drinks. Drive through your nearest McDonald's now.
San Miguel Oktoberfest Beer and Music Festival. Beer, friends, music, more beer.
Primera Light Brandy. Para sa primera klaseng bonding, mag-Primera Light Brandy na. Salamat, Spree!
And Lazada. Save more when you buy more on Choice.
Kailangan ka bang i-memorize yan?